What if a tiny beetle carried its own miniature chemistry laboratory, capable of stopping predators in an instant? On the forest floor, where giants walk and danger lurks in every shadow, this small chemist holds a secret that has fascinated scientists for centuries. Meet the Bombardier Beetle, a creature so small it could sit on the tip of your finger, yet it possesses a defense unlike any other in the animal kingdom. At first glance, it may seem like just another ground beetle, but inside its modest frame is a masterpiece of biological engineering. These remarkable insects are global citizens, found in the damp leaf litter of temperate forests across every continent except Antarctica. In the temperate zones, they seek refuge beneath the insulation of fallen pine needles and rotting logs, where the moisture remains constant. They are equally at home in the vast grasslands and along the moist, shaded riverbanks of tropical and temperate regions alike. In the tropics, they navigate a world of intense competition and humidity, thriving in the rich biodiversity of the rainforest floor. Our story begins in the earth. After mating in the warmth of summer, the female carefully lays her eggs in the damp, nutrient-rich soil. Here, in the quiet darkness, life starts in silence, protected by the cool shadows of the forest floor. Soon, tiny larvae emerge. These small hunters are born with an appetite, spending their early days navigating the underground labyrinth. They search for food amongst the roots and decaying matter, growing stronger with each passing day as they prepare for the transformation ahead. The larvae are not just hunters. In some species, they are specialized parasitoids, finding the pupae of other beetles to serve as their first feast. When the time is right, the larva creates a safe, quiet chamber in the soil. It enters the pupal stage, a time of profound stillness. Inside the earthen chamber, the transformation is total. Muscles, organs, and the famous chemical glands are all forged in this quiet crucible. Inside this earthen cocoon, a remarkable reorganization is taking place. The old form dissolves, and the blueprint of an adult beetle begins to emerge. Then comes the moment of emergence. A new adult breaks free from its underground home, leaving its childhood in the dirt behind forever. It steps into the light for the first time, its body hardening into a suit of armor that will serve it for the rest of its life. The adult Bombardier Beetle is a marvel of efficiency. Its body is shielded by a tough exoskeleton, designed for a life of exploration. 6 strong, agile legs provide incredible mobility, allowing it to navigate the treacherous terrain of the forest floor with ease. Hidden beneath those protective covers are wings, ready to offer a quick escape if the ground becomes too dangerous. Its long antennae are its primary tools for sensing the environment, picking up chemical signals and vibrations that we can only imagine. Compound eyes provide a wide field of view, helping the beetle spot predators and prey in the dappled shadows. Life for the Bombardier Beetle moves at a calm, rhythmic pace. It spends its days exploring the intricate textures of its woodland home. It scales mountains of bark and navigates valleys of fallen leaves, always searching for the next meal or a safe place to rest. As a natural predator, it hunts for small insects and larvae, playing its vital part in the balance of this miniature ecosystem. But the heart of the Bombardier Beetle's story lies within its abdomen. Here is where nature's tiny chemistry laboratory resides. Inside are 2 separate chambers. Each holds a specific chemical that, on its own, is perfectly harmless and stable. At the molecular level, hydroquinone and hydrogen peroxide are held in waiting, stable, calm, and ready for the command. When the beetle feels threatened, it uses its muscles to squeeze these chemicals into a 3rd chamber, the reaction vestibule. The introduction of enzymes is the key. They trigger a rapid breakdown, stripping oxygen and releasing energy in a massive exothermic burst. In this tiny room, special enzymes act as a catalyst, causing the chemicals to react instantly and release a massive amount of heat. The pressure from expanding oxygen and steam forces the boiling liquid out at speeds that rival a professional baseball pitch. The temperature inside quickly climbs to nearly boiling. This creates the pressure needed for the beetle's signature defense. To prevent self-injury, the beetle fires in rapid-fire pulses, hundreds per second, allowing the chamber walls to cool between each microburst. The result is a defensive spray, released in rapid-fire pulses to keep the reaction chamber cool enough for the beetle to survive its own bomb. Like a tiny water gun, the beetle can aim its tail with incredible accuracy, hitting its target right where it hurts most. What is truly amazing is that the beetle remains unharmed. Its body is built to handle the very heat and pressure it creates. Communication in the beetle world is a quiet, tactile affair. They share important information through the gentle touch of their antennae. They also leave chemical messages behind, a silent language that helps others find food or avoid danger. While they don't have complex words, these simple behaviors allow them to thrive as a successful community. In the wild, the Bombardier Beetle is often on the menu. Predators like toads and large spiders are constantly watching. But one encounter with the beetle's hot, noxious spray is usually enough to teach a predator a lifelong lesson. Even this defense has its challengers. Certain spiders have learned to wrap the beetle quickly in silk, preventing it from ever getting a clear shot. The memory of that burning heat ensures that the next time they see a Bombardier beetle, they'll decide to look elsewhere for a meal. A frog's quick tongue might be fast, but the beetle's reaction is faster, delivering a hot stink bomb that forces an immediate release. Beyond its chemistry, the beetle has other tricks for survival. Its incredible mobility allows it to vanish into the leaf litter in seconds. Many species are nocturnal, using the cover of darkness as their primary defense against being spotted from above. Their colors often act as camouflage, helping them disappear into the shadows when they need to rest during the long day. This remarkable chemical defense has allowed these beetles to survive and thrive for millions of years. By mastering the art of the internal bomb, they transformed themselves into one of nature's most successful survival stories. It ensures that every new generation has the tools it needs to face a world full of hungry predators. There are over 500 species of Bombardier beetles, each with its own subtle variation of nature's chemical laboratory. Remarkably, they can aim their spray with incredible accuracy, directing it precisely where it is needed most. Their natural design has even inspired human engineers who study the beetle's pulsed spray to create better fuel injectors and fire extinguishers. In the ecosystem, Bombardier beetles are essential predators, helping to keep insect populations in balance. Beyond hunting, they are cleaners. Feeding on detritus, they help break down the organic remains of the forest, turning death into life-giving soil. They also contribute to the cycle of life by recycling nutrients back into the soil as they hunt and feed. By processing these nutrients, they support the health of the entire forest, ensuring that even the largest trees have the food they need to grow. Every creature, no matter how small, contributes to the health and resilience of the natural world we all share. The Bombardier beetle reminds us that some of nature's greatest inventions are found in the smallest of packages. Learning about these amazing creatures is the first step toward understanding and valuing the complex beauty of our planet. Thank you for exploring with Daylight Lens. There's always more to discover.